Ooh, and come on! This punching toy, when hit, stands back up again. What gives this toy a never give up attitude? Let's explore. Now, since we are talking about a toy that doesn't fall, how about we start our investigation by observing one that does? When I hit this toy, notice how it pivots on the ground and the rest of its body turns around the pivot, just like when I push this door. It turns while pivoting on the door hinges. But in order to keep the door turning, either I need to keep pushing it or someone else needs to pull it from the other side. And this is exactly what gravity does for the toy when I push and leave it. It is the gravitational pull of the earth that makes this toy fall down by creating a turning effect. But this toy doesn't fall under the effect of gravity. So, is it defying gravity? No, it is not. It actually stands up because of gravity. Puzzled? Well, the answer to this puzzle is in understanding how, or rather, where gravity acts on an object. Any object with some dimensions has mass spread throughout its body. If we were to analyze the gravity acting on every one of these points, it would be very time-consuming. Thankfully, there is a special point where all the mass of the body can be assumed to be concentrated. This simply means that we can replace our 2 kg toy with this single point weighing 2 kgs. This point is located at the center of the entire mass distributed in the body. For the toy that fell, this point is somewhere here, at its center. And this is the point also called the center of gravity, where gravity is said to act on the object, pulling it vertically downwards. But for the toy that doesn't fall, the center of gravity is not here. Let us understand why. Seems like this is going to take a little time to deflate. And it's finally deflated. You see, while most of its body is made up of just air, there is sand at the bottom, which has more mass than air and is heavier. As there is more mass at the bottom of the toy, its center of gravity shifts lower in position towards the base. Let us observe closely what happened when we pushed this toy. A small turning effect was created by our push, moving the center of gravity towards the right. However, it is so close to the base that even while it moves to the right, its position is to the left of the pivot. This makes gravity create a turning effect in the anti-clockwise direction, as opposed to the clockwise direction for falling bodies. And this is how gravity pulls the punching toy back up, rather than pulling it down to the ground. So, by shifting the distribution of mass inside an object, its center of mass can be shifted too. And that changes how gravity affects its movement. Hey, by the way, my center of gravity is near my navel. Ooh, where do you think it will shift when I'm holding this dumbbell in my right hand? Let us know in the comment section below. If this thing was any heavier, I would fall to my right. For more such engaging content and conceptual clarity, subscribe to our YouTube channel.